Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what is in my massive baby bag. This is my baby bag. It's the Herschel baby bag, tote bag. I did have that backpack baby bag that you saw everywhere on Instagram. So many brands had it. I'll put a picture here. It is awesome. It is great. I love the backpack concept. It was fantastic. But now that I have first of all, I have two kids, two babies, one that is almost 2 and my little guy is already 3 months old. But you just have double the stuff, and with a newborn you already have so much stuff that you had to bring with you. So I was making it happen for the first 2-ish, 3-ish months, and then finally I was like, I gotta go bigger. You need to be able to open the bag and just reach for what you need and not have to scrummage through. And I really hate carrying a very full, overwhelmed bag. Like, you know when you have a backpack and it's just way too full, it's like bulging? No. So I moved on to the big duffel, and I'm going to show you what's in it. So if you have 2 kids, if you're going to have 2 kids or multiple kids, not sure what kind of backpack or baby bag, diaper bag to use, please watch this video and hopefully it'll give you some ideas. So this one is huge. It has the long straps here, so it's really great for traveling as well, or kind of like an overnight bag. It also comes with a large strap that you can do a crossbody. You have the option of making it a little bit smaller, which is not what we want. And then it also comes with a front pocket and 2 side pockets, which would be great for water bottles, your phone, keys, just really easy access stuff. When you open it, let's see if I can show you. Ooh. When you open it, you can see that it kind of comes with a divider. So you have one big section and 2 other sections. So the difference with this and a regular Herschel duffel bag, or even their baby diaper bag compared to their regular backpack, is that you have the compartments, which I think is super useful. And they're not really small compartments. It's just 3 basic compartments that you can shove whatever you want in there. Each baby bag comes with a change mat. Also has a handle. Let's open this up. It is huge. It has pockets that you can put stuff in. This is not very flattering, but you get the idea. I really like this change mat because it's flat. So if you just needed to take this with something, it's not bulky. You can shove your diaper and wipes in there. It's super, super useful. We have a pack of wipes that I'm constantly refilling. These refill bags are awesome. They're so much better than having to buy wipes. So what we do, we buy a big box of wipes from Costco, and whenever I need to fill it, I just take wipes from one of the packs and I pop it in here. So super, super useful. Right away, I have all my diapers in here. I got 2 sizes. Size 6 for Jax and size 1 for little baby, and I just pop them in. No pouch, no nothing. We don't have time for that. I have my wallet in here. Then I have a pouch for extra clothes. So now that I have 2 extra socks, don't do that. So in my extra pouch, I have 2 pairs of socks for Mr. Jackson. I also like having socks for the baby to cover their feet on top of their onesie if it's really cold, or on their hands if we're doing a walk or we're out and about and I don't have any extra gloves. Socks are a lifesaver. Extra pair of pants for Jackson, a long sleeves and a short sleeves, and then a onesie and a long sleeve like pajama and a onesie for baby. Baby is going to be in onesies and pajamas for as long as possible until I start dressing them up in clothes. So it is nice to just have extra, and always put bigger than what their current size is. So this onesie is 3 to 6 months. Mason is just turning 3 months. He pretty much fits this. It's just a little bit long, but that way you're not having to update or adjust your diaper bag so often. I also have 2 pairs of mittens. It's February right now. It can be a bit chilly, so I have a mitt for Jackson and a mitt for Mace. Again, the mitts for the newborns are great for their feet as well. I find they stay on, so it's super nice to have that. And I also have wet pants, or what do you call these? These are the Tuffo pants, just in case we go to a park or anything like that. We can just throw these on Jackson and he doesn't get his clothes wet. Oh, and in this pouch, I have this section here. It's actually for swimming. This is meant for like your lotions and stuff, but I'll put dirty clothes in this plastic part. Oh, it's okay. I'll put dirty clothes, wet clothes in this plastic part so it doesn't ruin everything else or stain the actual pouch, and then that's super easy to clean. What else we got in here? Oh, hand sanitizer. Can't go without that. I have another pouch. This has a bunch of random things. I have a bib, a little cloth, another cloth. Ooh, what's this? These are daily facial wipes. I think I got this in a care package. Diaper cream, extra face mask, like to cover your face because COVID. Some tissues. Ooh, and this one is one of my favorite. This is a placemat. It's a rubber thing that sticks onto your table. So if we're out in a restaurant, we would just stick this onto the table and Jackson could just put all his food there and we wouldn't feel so like awkward having food on a restaurant table, and then you can just clean that and wash that at home. So this is kind of all the small things pouch that I can just throw a bunch of stuff in there. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, I know. An extra pacifier. Whoops. And oh yeah, this. You know those doggy bags where you pick up poop with when you're going for a walk? They are great for dirty diapers and when you're in public and you don't know where to throw them. So that's really nice to have too. Then I have a bib. This is my favorite bib. This is from OXO. I just have one because Jackson's the only one that eats. But I do have a second one, so when little Macy boy is ready to join the dinner table, I will have a bib for each. And I really like it because it can fold up like this. You just kind of click it here and it just goes back into your diaper, your bag. Then I have a burp cloth and a nursing cover. I have two toques, one for Jax, one for me. Baby is always wearing a toque, so we don't need that. Sometimes I will throw in the baby carrier if I know we're going to be going for a walk with someone or out for a really long time. I also wear this a lot at home, so it's going in and out of our bag very often. And then another thing I really like to have are ear muffs, or what do you call these, like soundproof headphones. Great for baby if you're somewhere loud, if you are vacuuming, you are going to a friend's place and they're really loud over there, or whatever the case may be. They're just really nice to have because you can just throw them on them and you wouldn't feel so bad if there's like a loud sound going on, or if you're going past a really loud train, or I don't know. The only times I really had to use this is if our building has a fire drill or a fire alarm. We've had that a couple times with Jackson. So that is everything in my baby bag. If we do go out, I'll probably add some snacks in here. For Jackson, like a water bottle, a couple snacks. He usually eats all our snacks, so I never have extra, but ideally I would have extras. If you are the type that really like the minimal carrying of a diaper bag, I'm sorry, it's just not gonna happen right now. With a 3-month-old and a toddler, maybe if you are able to, that's great. Maybe you have a bigger bag than me, I don't know. I'm a pretty small person, so the backpack was just getting a little ridiculous. If you like this video, if this helped you, please give us a like, a thumbs up, a subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.